Today I'm going to be showing you my puppets, so let's get started. And if you hear that in the background, that's my sister, and that's Gabby Dollhouse that you hear. It's my sister's favorite show. My sister's a 5-year-old, so yeah. I got this for my early birthday, so I'm super excited. Some of this stuff is for my early birthday. Some of this stuff is for... And my favorite video is probably the Yaya one. Okay, so probably because it's my favorite Lovey ever. So my American dolls are just chilling by my puppets. So okay, so first I'm gonna start with the fidgets, and then I'm gonna go all the way to the other thing. Bye. Just go. Sorry about that. So I count this as a fidget and a puppet. So it's my fidget spinner, super cool. And I got this one from my aunt. So I got this from my aunt, and so I'm gonna show you one of my puppets I really like. That I also got to my aunt. Tiny, gigantic. I got this gigantic milkshake from my aunt. Really nice. And she gives me a bunch of stuff. Delaney was gonna get this color I didn't want, but she was like, no. And I was like, then I'll get it. And I got it. So I picked this color. I got it. This is better. Hers is like orange here, which I totally don't like. Okay. So let's keep going with fidgets. So I got these gumballs, or they're called Nemos. I forgot, but they're super, super duper, duper squishy. And I just love them. So I have 2 pink ones. One of them.
Do you want to go to Dollhouse Hotel with us?
And yeah, so super excited. So one of them broke, and one of them I just can't find. I got these. I think are definitely not puppets. No pops. So I have like happy, sad, and mad. Sad, mad, happy. Oh, I just love that show too much. And so there's like holes in the tails. They're little unicorns, and you put it on their head, and bam, it's a bracelet. Okay, so now I'm going to show you my Marvel matchers. So we have this pink one, and that stuff was from a fidget pack, but not the Mimi stuff, my aunt stuff, and a blue one, yellow, green. Jeez. Well, I went to the park yesterday with my friend Sophia, my best friend, from that latest video. And there's this little boy.
Hello. Welcome to the Dollhouse Hotel. Now, how can I help you? Ah, yeah, the Dust Bunny family. Here, I have your reservation. Hey, you're welcome. Now, the Box Brothers will take your bags right up.
Okay, just got really distracted there. So I got this one. Little baby was there. He kind of got dirty. Got
You
the
guys
bag
check in
too.
the front desk, and I'll drop your bags off in your room. Thanks, Carlita. Baby.
And so I also got, those are like all my fidgets. So these are the smallest puppets I have in this. Okay, so I got this from my latest fidget pad. Let's go. Okay, this is my sister's first puppet. I found my blue one yesterday. I painted because Delaney asked me to. Didn't work out so good, but still a puppet. So it's right there, see guys. Well, I got this one. It looks pretty new, but was it from that fidget pack? Which is sad. Okay, guys. So yeah, and yeah. Okay. So I've been popping this one for most of the video so far, but my avocado one. Doo 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 doo. I forgot to show people this. So I put this like as a toy chest, and I used these for some toy chest blocks. So yeah, so let's get started. Oh, sorry guys. My new favorite puppet, this tropical puppet. Well, I got this tropical pineapple. They really like, I think it's good. The bad side? Well, the bad side's fine by me, but get to pop it all so I can show you guys the good side. This is the good side, it's really good. Like, look at this. It's already all popped. So quick. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. And I'm kind of in the middle of a move, so I have a lot of moving stuff. It's just driving me crazy. I got to be a YouTuber. I'm so sorry. I didn't make a video since 2 months ago. And I'm super excited to make videos again. So, peace.